Hi crafty friends, welcome to the Crafty Seas. Today we're on to share an amazing prize that we won as part of a hidden giveaway from the lovely Alex at Bullet from My Snail Mail, and I'll leave Alex's channel link down below, so make sure to pop over for lots of crafty inspiration. Alex does a lot of unboxings, takes part in crafty collaborations and does the most brilliant hand drawings as well, so pop over to Alex's channel and let's dive in. So this is a beautiful card that Alex has sent us, and it's got the 3D shine here, beautiful die cuts with the lovely shimmer and butterflies, the little 3D wings. Isn't that beautiful? And Alex has left us a beautiful message inside congratulating us on winning her Tonic Studio giveaway. So let's dive in and share the goodies with you. So first up are some Lindor chocolates, and these are absolutely delicious luxury chocolates, and I have a confession to make. There may have been 4 in the box and one just disappeared. Don't know what happened to Alex. And also we have this beautiful Craft Perfect craft kit from Tonic Studios, and this has the cards and the toppers inside. So I'll just take it out so you can see it's very shiny and foily. So if you have the set of toppers here and the coordinating cards, fantastic, perfect for making up quick cards and notelets. So we'll have fun making them up, and wait to see this. Alex had some doublers and was kind enough to do a hidden giveaway on her channel, but I think she's put a little bit more than just what we thought, so thank you, Alex. And this is a fantastic tonic die set. I'll just take it out so you can see it a little bit better. It's very shiny in the wrapper, but this is 13 dies and you can create all different cards with it. It has outline die, a word die, edgeables, corner dies for creating pockets. Absolutely fantastic and really versatile. And we don't have a lot of Tonic Studio products, so this is a great way to delve into a new craft brand for us. And you can let us know in the comment section below, have you got any Tonic Studio items in your crafty stash, and what's your favourite? And next up, Alex kindly included in the prize this Tonic Studio Premium Card Making Magazine, and we do love a crafty magazine. And inside you get this floral die set and a stamp set with a coordinating stencil. Well, that will be fun to craft with. And you also get the lovely magazine, which has some papers and toppers that you can cut out, and some crafty inspiration on how to use the dies and stencils. So that's great. We can have a flick through that later and get inspired. Thank you so much, Alex. And it keeps going. What a prize package. So please, as I said, pop over to Alex's channel and show her some crafty support. And next up are these highly pigmented colour pastels, Nouveau. Now, we've never tried using pastels as a art medium, so that's something really fun to explore. Thanks, Alex. And here we have some beautiful golds and glittery washi tapes. Also have some low tack die tape, perfect for running through when we're holding down these lovely intricate dies through the die machine. Perfect. And a lovely rose stencil. And on our craft to-do list is to get out our glitter pastes and stencils and get crafting with them. So we look forward to trying this with our glitter pastes when we get round to giving that a go. And also here is some beautiful gold gilding flakes. And we won a prize previously from Alex where we won some gilding flakes, and we've been having so much fun crafting with gilding flakes. So thank you so much, Alex, for that. It's really inspired us in our crafting. And a lovely Midas Touch shimmer effect gold pen aqua shimmer. Absolutely beautiful. And here at the Crafty Seas, we're like a pair of magpies. We love anything that glitters and shines, so we'll definitely be using that in our projects. And with the metallic theme, we also have these Nuvo dual dot metallic markers. So they've got the fat nib and the thin dot nib. Come in handy for colouring in some mandalas and doing some dot art on some rocks we've been painting recently. Huge thank you, Alex, for hosting your hidden giveaway. We are over the moon to have won it and are really looking forward to crafting with all of these goodies. So you can let us know in the comment section below what your favourite item from the prize package was, and please check out our description box below where I'll leave all the details to the lovely Alex's channel. And a huge thank you for watching today. Please like, subscribe and ring that bell to be notified. And I'm off now to make the rest of this chocolate disappear. Happy crafting!